Right, I'm out and about. This is my second attempt at a wild camp this month. 2 weeks ago I got blown off the hills, so I've come out today, different part of the lakes, and it's blowing again. Currently about 30 mile an hour, forecast to get up to 50 mile an hour tonight. So I'm going to walk up onto the tops, see if I can find somewhere sheltered. If not, I'll come back down, try and find somewhere lower down that's sheltered. I've been stuck in the house all week, so I'm glad to get out. There's no rain forecast, that's good. See how we get on, just having a cup of tea before we set off. Looking forward to it really. I've got my cooking gear, got some dinner. Have a good night. See you in a bit. Made it all the way to the top without stopping. It's an achievement for me. I'm exhausted. It's blowing a hooligan up here. Last couple of days have been difficult. I may be able to find a sheltered spot. Look out the wind. Let's have a look at the view. Absolutely exhausted. Managed to get the tent up, but it's not going to stay up. It's blowing like a bloody hooligan up here. Just have a quick look at the tent there. There's no way I can sleep inside there. There's no way I can sleep inside there. Just going to end up abandoning it in the middle of the night. Something's going to get ripped. So I'm afraid it's going to have to come down, try and find somewhere either more sheltered or just abandon it altogether. Bit of a piss poo do really. I'm looking forward to tonight. One thing I can say about the Vord Power Lizard, it's not a tent for the wind. My Saunders would have withstood this without any bother at all. That thing's just going to rip in bits. So I think we'll call it a do. Right, that's it. Tent's down. I'm getting off this hill. Big mistake buying that Power Lizard. I'm glad I only paid 100 quid for it. It's about as bloody useless as a plastic bag. Might be lightweight, but in a gale, useless. So if you get tempted to buy one, don't bother. I'm going to go to the pub, have a pint, bollocks to it. See you later. Right, on my way back down the hill now. Match abandoned. I knew what the weather forecast was before I came. I knew it was going to be windy, but I thought I'll just take that Vord Power Lizard, just see how it holds up in the wind. I've camped in stronger winds than that before with my Saunders tent, but that Power Lizard was about as much use as a bin bag and 2 Gordon canes. There's no way I could sleep in that tonight. it would just as disintegrated. So my quest for the lightweight tent is over. I just don't think you can do it. This hasn't got the strength. The shape of it is just wrong. Totally wrong for that kind of weather. The little pole in the end, which you use for ventilation, it sits inside a little canvas pouch. It went straight through that and came out through the bloody fabric of the tent. So that's knackered. The side of the tent that was taking the wind was flattened. Instead of being convex, it became concave. And useless. Anyway, like I said, I ended up paying £100 for it. I'll stick it back on Fleabay. See some other clown will buy it. I don't know what to do now, whether to go to the pub, have fish and chips, or whether to drive home and make what I was going to make anyway. Alternatively, I could make it in the back of the car. I don't know what to do for the best, really. Well, they came out. I've learnt something. Blew the cobwebs away, blew the tent away. So it's been a learning experience. I'll have to come out again next week. Just have to put up with carrying the weight of the cylinders. I agonised for 12 months about getting a lightweight one. Something was just, every time I thought about it, something was just niggling the back of my mind. Will it be any good? Will there be enough room? Will it be strong enough? The answer's got to be no. If anybody knows of a 1 kilogram, 1 person tent that can stand up to the weather, can stand up to the wind, let me know. I'll be fascinated to see it.